West Pike Street.
I'm doing excellent. How you doing? The mystical creature. See, he can't get me out of his mind. For me, it's a different type. I have the talons in his neck. On that patriotic freedom tits with her fucking talons in his neck.
You just won't
on that
stop.
fucking wicked little fucking patriotic eagle. Kate now? You going on Kate now? Huh? Here he goes. Just in time. Tuning in.
You have no friends in real life. You're pathetic.
This is Kate.
You're a bottom feeder, bitch.
No, you are.
Take the next left
Randy.
onto Georgia 120 West.
Any
West
man
Pike
that
Street.
would do this to a woman?
Turn left
I've
onto
never met
Professional
men like
Drive.
this.
He's sick of you.
Besides
You've
him.
been ranting about him for how many
Like
hours
this.
today?
And some on YouTube.
Let's see.
Not in real life. Not on the dirty
2
South.
hours.
No.
He's been-
Did not take care of her bitch.
oh my god.
Here he goes on the fish thing.
Bottom feeder.
No, you're the parasitic bottom feeder in your nasty toilet. Dude goes to all these fucking truck stops and takes shit. And it's so nasty, his toilet. If you guys would
Don't
have seen
let her do that to you, Kate.
it. Holy fuck. He's
Stop being a
gross.
bottom feeder.
He's gross. He's beyond gross.
I recommendation to you. You're a fucking nasty bitch. But there's hope for you.
Head northwest on Georgia 120 West Pike
I
Street
don't need
toward
that.
Hurricane
I don't
Shoals
need
Road
that.
northwest.
I
She's
don't need that.
gloating because he's annoyed now.
Seeker. You're a drama seeker, you stupid bitch. Understand?
Kate's been on my channel.
Kate, not Victorious. You're a drama seeking fucking freak show.
Kate's a real person. She's totally real.
You're a hideous creature.
That's why they don't like her, because she's on Team Humanity's side.
Oh, your
And
humanity.
she has eyes to
There's
see.
Kate, of course.
Imagine that.
You keep coming around and fucking with me, Kate, you're gonna have major issues. You understand that? I'll strike your fucking channel into Nowhereville. You'll be gone. I'll love you. Ask Nicole how that's working out for her.
It's working out just fine. My channel's being watched by the cops. It's not doing anything. You're fucking lying piece of... Sure.
I've been busy, let's just say.
Oh no, Kate's really gonna get ripped into now. And look at, she's glowing. She's like happy. Like she sees what's about to happen now. You're sick.
It's
You're...
funny, because my
No,
channel's
Mr.
being
Nice
watched.
Guy.
My channel's being watched, so it's not going anywhere.
Yeah, I'm watching
Stays
you.
are over.
You're a liar.
You're a clown.
I am not the one to Hey, Kate, let me ask you. How do you feel about incest? Is it a Christian value? Is that a moral value that Christians embrace?
He must have had done something with his old mommy. Or something.
Yeah, no, you were with your brother for 10 years, and I got,
Why
it's true. It's really true, you guys. She had sex with her brother, for real. Orgy parties and all.
projecting much, Randall? He said a lot last night. It shows how deep and dark. He goes into these dark moments where he
Because you
starts
don't
to
shut up and you don't leave him alone.
Oh, he's been doing it for...
You streamed him for 24 hours. So, what about that?
profile on this guy, the psychological...
If you know how he works, then why do you keep doing this?
That's one of the fascinating things for me.
People are insane.
Wow.
Oh, there's my name. Sherelle. Kate Munder would be disgusted with all of these people. Yeah, he would be disgusted with. Not me. He never had that problem with me. Pause this.
Yes. Right? Yes. What's my...
Oh, I can't stand her. Hold on. This is Randy. Working.
You people need to be observant and start to put the puzzle pieces together. You notice how everybody else is called a whore, a nasty whore? You ever notice that? There's something internal really fucked up. It's toxic shame. Toxic shame is what is causing these projections.
See?
You hear it all the time.
That makes more
You're
sense.
a nasty whore. That is truly how she feels about herself.
Yeah. Makes sense.
Yeah. She's been broken since childhood. Sexual trauma occurred very early in life. And it continued. And it escalated. There's major deviant behavior built into her brain. Major. I want to say right now, there's plenty of other people on YouTube that she confided in that told them a lot. That was like her way of getting ahead of the story, ahead of the truth, getting ahead of the story in case it got out, in case the Light Lord put it out there before. So she got ahead of it. She wanted to go ahead and admit it, just in case. She did.
Shit. That is so... That's just creepy in itself. It says a lot, too.
And from there, the Fort Lupton PD and I are reaching out to your police department. And if I have to get a restraining order on you,
Whoa.
a blanket restraining order to keep you from mentioning my motherfucking name anywhere,
Wow.
that's what we're gonna do. You put no effort into fixing your life. None. You put no effort into spending time with your family. None.
That's true, too.
You're fucked. is it going to be time to go fix yourself? That's all I have for you. Now, for the rest of you, we'll just have a normal stream from here on out. That's it. Oh, yeah. I went and pick some fresh sage. Fresh sage! We're gonna purge you again. Sure am.
That dirty Ron whore. That's how she talks.
Let's go put this.
Oh my god.
Let's go put this on my truck where it's in today's heat.
What a cutie.
And I'll be able to wrap much and continue to fucking free myself from you.
Poor guy.
Soul ties exist, and I'm doing everything in my power to free myself. You're fucking evil. I don't know if you guys have a curse, or if there's just something genetically fucked up.
There is. She is so freaking demented. Oh my gosh.
Damn, look at that. I could have just got it right fucking there.
Whoa.
Yeah, I could have. Snip, snip, snip. It burns so good. There we go.
Free yourself, Randy. Free yourself.
Threats to other
Here,
YouTubers.
look at this lady.
Laughing about how he destroyed that guy's face at the Circle K. It goes on and on and on. All the attacking of women in my chat.
You're the one that attacks everybody, not him. He stood up for you.
Him contacting my family members. Him collecting photos. Him narrating fairy tales, stories, and lies. Defaming my family. Putting out their real names. Doxing me live. Intimidating police. Live on his channel.
He knows those officers, duh. That's his city.
The list goes on. I'll go hang out with James and we'll collect it all.
Okay, go do that. Go find another man to mooch off of.
We'll have a day of discovery.
Epic. You're a joke, lady. Nobody cares. Nope. Not one person. Uh-oh. He's looping. That's it for now, I guess.